Okay, I'm not a fan of those videos that lead you on for 10 minutes without ever getting to the actual subject mentioned in the title of the video. So to cut right to the chase, these are 3 reasons why you should buy a diamond ring online. Reason number 1, the price. Reason number 2 is the selection. And reason number 3 is the access to information that you'll get. So reason number 1, the price. You can absolutely get the best price by shopping online for a diamond ring, because there's simply so much more competition, and the business model created by these online diamond dealers cuts out the cost of having a storefront or a middleman who makes a commission on your purchase. For example, look at these rings at the mall. A diamond of a similar color, carat, clarity, and cut is almost triple the price of what you can find online. So reason number 2 for why you should buy a ring online is the selection. Do you think spending the same amount of time at your mall's jeweler will give you the same amount of options as spending the same time shopping online? There's absolutely no way. You can scroll for just minutes and see hundreds of zoomed in HD photos of diamonds and of rings. At your local dealer or your jeweler, you'll be lucky to see 10 before you're burned out listening to the salesman pitch about how great their warranty is that you honestly don't even need. And reason number 3, access to information. You no longer have to rely on the jeweler trying to convince you to buy a ring. The amount of transparency you have is infinitely more than what your dad or your grandpa had when they went to the local jeweler to the mall to buy your mom or grandma's ring. Shopping for rings online lets you become the diamond expert and takes out the middleman who's looking for a commission. So those are the 3 main reasons of why you should buy a ring online. You can click the link in the description below to access the website I use to buy my wife's ring. Let me know what you guys think of her ring in the comments below, and thanks again for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.